So what we've got planned for later is a couple of castles. One of them's an old ruin on Skye, Castle Moil. We're going to be there in the sort of early evening. We're meeting down there at 5:30 and it's now just after 2 o'clock. So we spent the morning at the Fairy Glen, then we went and had some lunch in town. Very nice lunch. And I've come back to the campsite. I've got to take care of a few domestic and administration issues, like washing up a couple of dishes. Maybe making something to eat before we go out for the evening. So Castle Moil on Skye, just on the Skye side of the bridge really. And we'll see what we can get there, see if the weather improves any for that. And then we're going to cross the bridge to the mainland to Maui House, Eilean Donan Castle. And we're staying there quite late. We're going to be there for a sunset shoot and into blue hour when the castle is illuminated, and hopefully we'll get some magnificent shots then. So join me later on at the castle. So we're out shooting Castle Moil for the evening, and the tide is on its way in, which is quite nice. You can see over there is an old boat wreck which is now half submerged. When we arrived here it was still dry. And then round to the castle itself and another boat wreck. And as you can probably tell by my strange hat, the midges are out in force this evening. So we've all got midgie nets on. And over the other side of that other wreck, there's another little rowing boat wreck, which was rather nice. And I managed to get a couple of shots with that in. I'll stick them up just now. Gavin was really helpful, helping me sort out a composition. Because I'd included quite a lot of foreground. And he helped me tighten that up. So this first shot is the one I took, and with that nice boulder in the foreground with loads of lichen on it. And he pointed out to me that really half a wasted frame. So I changed it round, following his advice, and here's the second shot after Gavin told me what would improve it. Well, that was almost a case of rain stopped play. It was okay at first, but then it started to come down quite a bit, and we are absolutely soaked now. So I guess we're wet. We can't get any wetter. So let's head off to Eilean Donan Castle. So Blake has just stolen my composition. So, I mean, come and say hello, Blake.
Hello, Blake.
So what do you think of my wee castle then?
I like your castle. I want to stay in it. Can I have the keys?
So what's the best angle, do you reckon, for this one?
I like the reflections.
Yeah.
I like the reflections and the balance that happens with the reflection, especially with it as calm as it is. Looks good.
Yeah. There's
tighter.
there's great views from the other side of the bridge too,
Yeah,
and straight down the bridge as well. Yeah,
definitely.
yeah. So we'll try them all.
Absolutely. Why not? We're here, right?
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
Exactly.
All right, so this evening we've come to an absolute classic. I'm going to say it, Eilean Donan Castle. I probably said it wrong.
Take a look at what you're doing here. I think.
Are you Jerry Keeter?
Yeah, I am.
Really?
Actually,
I subscribe.
nobody recognizes me.
I subscribe to your channel.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm so flattered. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, I like your videos and everything.
That's very kind.
I even put comments on there, but yeah, you haven't replied to any of
I
them
haven't.
yet. No.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I've got a YouTube channel too.
Do you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Gavin.
Gavin.
But I go by Photo Tripper.
Photo Tripper. I need to look that up.
Yeah, you should look that up.
Oh yeah. Is it any good?
Of course it's good.
Okay. No, I'll be sure to look it up. I might make a comment too.
So you just got to look. There's a whole group of photographers all next to each other, all lined up, and all looking at the same scene. Which is that. The colour is just beginning to come out. Very close to sunset now. And we're all shooting the exact same image, and it's just spectacular. So it's 10 minutes after sunset. And what have we got?
I think I might have seen a dragon too.
Some colours in the sky and the lights on the castle starting to come on. I've got no idea how many photographs I've taken of this castle over the years, but I'm fairly sure I got my best ones tonight. It's been absolutely spectacular. It's been raining all day, and the rain stopped once we got here this evening, and it was cloudy. We didn't know whether anything would happen, and as the sun went down, the sky lit up a little bit, just enough to put some colour in those clouds beyond the castle, and it was wonderful.